Pyoge Yintin Sangyulerim Gunzushuin, Tarin Pyogaluni Don Gada Shibju, Pendagebe, Seba Joksumda, Chiluni Don Joksumda, Gube, Sejubdun, Sami Magi Sangyulerim, Dinzichimegi Yintin Shuin, Manzu Taringi Sangyuzune Kani, Chino Gonsagam Gwenchimbuchoki, Kani, Tunishi Imbe, Jeki Sinzi, Kusha Waslav Havel, Tambokonla, Jedenta, Tumen Sebe Gorso, Jek Jitun Gekabna, Ganshin Bizetin Gorta, Kasur Laguchi Zumbimachola, Europe Pelop Tumongi, Shiri Jumesinda Pubekor. Gyana shungi pebe gendun basumla tuyun losusu zunjuk timda jeba. Ari kusab tunju ku ugar sang kedola New York da New Jersey sane pime lenzo unye ne lo nishagu kowe tuden sungzi kundren zowar pebname korje shuin be mutune sirona. Chino Honsagam Gwenchimbucho Kasa Sadawenin, Chek Jitun Gegabgi Gesa Prak Nang, Chek Sinzi Surba, Kusha Vaslav Havel Chogi, Lekhonsu, Chibgyurki, Kangi Chogi, Tunishi Imba, Tambakongi Che, Tumenda, Jerenze Yobaredo. Kabder Sinzi Tambate, Gunde Pepsu Shubata, Gombo Chogi, Tambakongi Shabdela, Utugi, Jedar Yobaredo. Shabde dini uti namni war chiluni don chungni lor thame jete kap sinzi khong shusashi imba ma se sinzi havel khong kongba ma zo kong zamla khongsa cho da jete chungyu bare tare khongsa gyam gwen chembo cho yu der sinzi thamba de sarzu na we forum 2000 shebe lore gejil henzo ge lengde tho lenshu je yu che chibgyur gyang yu bare Kui der chibgyur gi thongma chilchigdong gubgya gubju lor gyang ne tare chibgyur theng chuba de chage yu bare do Teje Konsa Cho Forum 2000 gi lenzo su chopep zeyobata der gyana gi jimang topdang tabzeba mi longwa imba kushap chen gongteng zibe gyunga jingi mi mangbu shi charyobaredo. Zego zogyong we Konsa Gyamgwen Chembucho ni sinzi tambo kongi tunye shi imbata sinzi kong da lendu jete zeke tamashi gyan imbe talen tambo kongi sarzu nangwe lenzo der songshe nangken zo shi chagyobani höshin tsamba yin je shudo. Konsa chogi kyang kangni ne denga gyagar ki sinzin da siluen tangbu soso gongba zogab kyang yangin jejen shuje pepna yobatar tengdir kangni ki tunye jegi sinzi tangba kongla jejen tsunbe tungmen zejar yu je pepdo. Chize jubshin yingi mangzo la songshe zechar shigi kapsuwa sinzi tangba kongla jejen shunang gyu zechar tego la songnao shi sibu shuwi.
On the invitation of late President Havel. So since then we become very close sort of friend. And I always describe him, he inspired president, very humble. He really acting like genuine good human being. Sometimes the people who have certain sort of position, I think I myself also said there is a danger to act a little bit sort of special person. So he never shows that. He, right from the beginning, I impressed. He really showing good human being sort of nature, humbleness, humble. Like that, and honest, truthful. So since then, of course, I think a few occasions I came. Then also, most probably, I'm the person who called almost, I think, last. And after our meeting, I think about 10 days when he passed away. So mainly because of him, and then also many Czech friends. So I feel Czech people something very special in my heart. So indeed, I'm very happy once more here. Day after tomorrow morning, I'm going to see the late Havel's small office I asked, yes, that small office is still there. Although I'm no longer that person. But I would like to see his chair. One time, one first president of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Since 1956, I know him. Wonderful person, very humble. Again, very humble. So after he passed away, I visited his home in Patna. So that something like pay my respect, my late friend. And then I always telling when about President Harvard's University, his name involved. Then I always telling, I always expressing, like myself, who know him, who respect him, who admire him. So it is our responsibility. We must carry his spirit, his good example. So not only my own generation, but must make effort to generations. These good human beings' spirit must prevail, must continue.
Tene mutu kasangi zejar kap kumbukani cho mi dungchur duyunang ki mi chik imbale mikse khaya mi jeda do mi yonzo dewa debale dungwe mi du khen shada yingyang thadu kange mangbushi yon de yobani mi sebashi imbe kesi changme shije chesem de sune do mi chik sungi choshe jibe thone sosor dewa dugi yobatar Mishen la dewa dugi yobashi goigyu hajang keje imbata tedar cheze kange thiri se tubgi yo je phebdo Tadung shide babeb gi turab shi yongwar myolam gyaba mayin bar shenyo goigyu kechenbu yin je lamdun kalop zena zedo. Kasangi nyin der konsa chogi zetin teza member Forum 2000 gi lobdun lenzo so gi tsondur lenshu da shune dungkan du chek yu gi sarsho cheshu gi kandir kalendu yu der chibgyu zechar nang kanyi ne chapsi minna namba je te zebale mangzo da nyamdu zechar de tukur chewa zeshin yogor ta tengab gyana nang guti sarbe ho gi yurdo namba kaji gi to. Pyeonangi Kuryu te Asia ge kapgi mangzo la ge cheju sok te la kalen zena zedu. Gongsa cho yu der chize chupshin yin shapsor dewar koyde mangzo la tengrab gi chiso chu penzun guzi da chamzin yamlen keche ingor gi jushi to lamdun kalop zeyobare.
In our education field, we must sort of develop the moral education, ethics. That also not just, you see, based on faith, but through reasons. I think late His Holiness Pope, the German Pope, you see, he mentioned faith and reason must go together. I think that's a very wise statement. So therefore, moral ethics through education, through awareness, we can develop conviction, moral ethics. Moral ethics imposed by something higher, God or something, or Buddha. No. Moral ethics is necessity for human society. Now scientists also now begin to realize warm-heartedness is very good for physical health. They call healthy mind is key factor for healthy body. Of course, I cannot say my mind very healthy, but comparatively, I think quite healthy. So therefore, I think it definitely is the effect my physical health also. Now this person, now 78 years old. Oh, but okay. So I think some people may feel, oh, His Holiness Dalai Lama in something special medicine or something special meal, or nothing. Only, I think, peace of mind. I think comparatively, my mind quite peaceful. When I meet some people, of course, I meet, you see, variety of people. Some leaders, some businessmen, some sort of scientists, some beggars also, some aid patient, variety. Then what I learned, the peace of mind is the key factor for happy life. Those people full of problem, but because of peace of mind, they are quite happy. Some looks very successful materially, worldly, very successful, but very unhappy person. So that shows real sort of factor for happy life is not matter, because not depend on matter, but inside value.
Kapter mituk don la charyo banam la kalop jushi dan tel ngansu ni jizo na ne de cheken gi semjin shi indap mi kher su su tigi ngoma ni jizo kyun yong la digi yumin gi ne dan la ra li yo ba indap rang la digi ngoma shi yonggur nyebar shen gi dewa dünyer chagyu bezön chego be lamden kalop tha mangso ne kanji khongor khala kalen che zenan ze do küder chibgyur dan dün sani menin pemi sorya jega dan kalop ze do Pimidetsuni Niku, Austria, Hungary, Poland, Czech, Jesu, Nedo Chekin, Shada Imbredo. Kapder Pimiri Susurintang, Tsumbe, Chudan Rikshun, Teda, Nyambasur Chudan, Minyam Compelion Le, Gunzin Tubako, Kapepdo. Tarin Kuder Nidon Tambe, Geji Lengde Lenzogi, Jugji Zegor Lenshu Zeguta, Charles Tolop Kangi, Loma Soda Nyamdo, Shar Ishi Nangi, Domi Topdan Da, Chude Rawan Shebe Jushito, Doleng Zeguche Gi Zejado. Chize Jubshi Nin Swiss Gayon Pelop Nime Duden Dan Dun Swiss Tonde, Oswil to Tsogan Shigina, Kasur Lagu Jizun Bemachola, Swiss Dan Liechtenstein So, Europe Puri Loptaka, Tumone Shiri Dume Singda Shibashi Pulam Shudo. Singda Pulgen Swiss Dan Liechtenstein Puri Tsobe Tsozo, Kanshun Sang Lopsan La Dan, Kuide Pelop Chikep Genzin Dochung Gombunam Gela Ni Indo. Zegoi Gundren Zowor Swiss Rigon Chogor Gombe Kembu Choda La Dru Geshe Swiss Kuzap Tunju Deshi Europe Kugi Chisur Nambata Europe Pelop Kagi Genzin Namba Shungje Membe Tsoba Kagi Tsogzoje Midang Chigdong Gewa Nyamzom Na Yudo. Konsagam Gwen Chimbu Chogi Gongbashin Kui Chungmu Kasu Jizun Pema Chogi Chil Chigdong Gubgya Tukjirab Shilone Pusukang Yana Pedru Kimde Tsogzo Tunge Shede Milo Shibju Shenyi Ring Lobje Zingong Sogate Sikdo Nanyo Yobare. Pedru Kimde Ni Zenjo Nangi Shenyongi Dine Cheshe Sheda Tabar Pedru Shidilha Gesin Cheyobare. Kasur Jizun Pema Chola Tabar Tukui Shenyong Dan Jewe Singda Tang Teshin Ningdob Denbe Pime Sogtola Singda Pushe Nanyo Yobare. Nyejar Gyana Shungi Sichun Shingjen Karze Ku Sirshul Zong Zag Chukha Zame Chongde Ombu Gombe Gendu Basumla Lo Shi Parki Zunju Chimda Jeyodo. Pegi Domi Topdan Da Manzu Pegi Dine Khane Bewe Nitsula Gyana Shungi Ombu Gombe Ranglu Shibju Shaji Inbe Gendu Ba Chodar Shuwashi Da Ranglu Nishzanyi Inbe Gendu Ba Sonam Gombo Teshin Gendu Ba Sonam Chodar Shuwachi Nanin Lor Zinsung Che Ne Tabar Kanyar Chebata Dawadi Tse Guda Tse Chukchik Sosor Gendu Ba Konsumla Zunju Chimda Jeyodo. Teyang Choda La La Lo Chigi Zunju Ta Sonam Gombola Da Sonam Choda La Ni La Lo Shi Zunju Chimda Chedo. Ari Kutsap Tunju Legongi Sargoy Tunju Ugar Sant Gedor La Den Shutar Ari New York Da New Jersey Sane Pime Lenzo Unyene Lo Nishzagu Kowe Duden Sungzi Ki Gundren Zowor Pebnado. Chize Jubshinin Tsobe Zegode To Gundren Zo Chogi Gyule Rimjungi Chale Nangcho La Ngajo Nangyobaredo. Zegor Shungren Mayinbe Tsoba Khagi Kutsap Da Serge Mangso Kyon Midang Nige Zam Nyamshu Nangyobare. Samdine Taringi Sangyu Ka Chukji Shugi, Pedon the Jebe Shifte Netsuka, Shamku Shungde Tane To Sigube, number 2 Mani Banarona, Shamla Namshing da Minskangi Nire Tejelo to Sirona.
Number Lingi Tashidil, Penda Kibitse, Chupshita, Chinda Guvitse, Chobge, Resalaba, Rundro Daga Mende, Jungre Chuni, Ningep Chuzo Sumbane, Dagar Menru, Jungre Saju, Treasury, Jova Lesang, Treasangwe, Rungo Lundi Tajo Zobata, Lasanda, Lasoso, Chena Sangwa Mase, Kiriso, Lovalumni, Kunzu Cheba, Rabjungi Tombalemba, Ramne Cheba, Wanguru, Yuda, Kimzan Sabasimba, Yangrup Cheba, Kangba Sarja Kunzu Cheba, Tsonganda Saganso, Sadu Konje Cheba, Tsongle Sadu Kunzu Cheba, Sangwayu, Yinaya, Dieni, Magi Namgu, Ma Tangwanda, Kaju Zoba Java, Tishindu, Timla Shudu Chibe, Lela Ngemba Yimi, Zemanangu, Yan Dieni, Chuzaji Yimi, Chojo Cheba Ngembe, Zemgawayi, Kade Dieni, Tujo, Machekame Tugi Yuna, Chuzaji, Dojoso, Nangni Chila Madun Kong, Chazana, Chuzobe, Dojo Chena, Chuzaji Nyewa Shivar Chibayu, Yan Dieni, Doyonga Gyur, Donze Shi, Tuji Chena.